like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength, now I'm the only one, only one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a speed clean of my kitchen. On this day I had gone grocery shopping, so I'm just going to finish putting away some of the grocery bags and the groceries and then get on to cleaning the kitchen. So if you are needing some motivation, just come along with me and keep watching. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video you're watching, welcome. My name is Stacie and I do a bunch of different lifestyle videos, including grocery hauls. So if that's one of the things that you enjoy seeing, I do those pretty much every week. So go ahead and check those out.
Can I be your superhero?
To clean all of my surfaces today, I am using a little squirt bottle filled with water and pine salt just to help kill some of the germs that are on the different surfaces throughout the kitchen.
Superhero. Fly away. It's the first time of today.
Here I'm just sharing with you a couple pieces of artwork that my son and his friend have drawn. They're really into art at this time, and they'll even watch some YouTube tutorials on how to draw certain characters. So yeah, that's one of his hobbies at the moment. Moving on to my fridge, just giving you a little snapshot. It's hard to see in the camera, but there's a lot of water stains and stuff. So again, just using that same spray to clean that off. And you'll see when I'm all finished, like how nice and shiny and clean that it looks. Moving on to the stovetop grills, they were a little on the sticky side, so this isn't a deep clean, but I'm using hot soapy water to give them a little scrub to remove the stickiness. And last but not least, I'm just going to spray down all of the cupboards because again, they get sticky and greasy from all the cooking and stuff that goes on in the kitchen. Unfortunately, I didn't get to cleaning the floors because I did go into work a little bit later that morning, but I did take care of that when I got home, but it wasn't filmed. And that is it for today's cleaning video. Hopefully it's brought you some motivation. If you are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, please subscribe before leaving and don't forget to stay tuned to the end for the bloopers. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.